What's going on, traders? It's Tyler here. Today we're going to be talking about OBLN on the stock ticker. This stock looks like it has a 29.48 million share float. We can see in pre-market there was not much activity, but the day before we did pop up, have a little run from 63 cents to 74 cents. So I'm sure that's kind of what initiated this run today. Let's go ahead and take a look at the news that was out. They entered into a commercial lease for a weight loss center. Let's see. First and only FDA approved swallowable gas balloon system to treat obesity. So that's some good news. So they have some success with the FDA, so we can understand why this ran up today. And for the fact that it's under 30 million share float, so that's not too bad. That's kind of what we're looking for at least, right? So let's go ahead and start off by drawing our support and resistance. We got our resistance up here at $1.05. We'll go ahead and put our support right here at 91 cents. And then we'll go ahead and put our median right here at about 98 cents. We'll go ahead and zoom in. We can see that at the start of the day, we did run from 68 cents all the way up to $1.05 before pulling back to 91 cents. And we did find some support at 91, and we have been ranging inside this little zone here since then. And this is after hours right here. We are still above the moving average, so that is a good sign. We're above the VWAP. That means most of the buyers are still good off. That's a good sign. Now, let's talk about what we'll look for tomorrow. For me, what I'm going to be looking for, since we already did break above this median here and we are retesting off this median, what I want to see is tomorrow when we wake up, I want to see that momentum push us and break past 105. What I'll do is I'll set an alert at 105 so I know when that happens. That way we know the momentum is back in action, right? Because if we just come up here, we bounce around up here, we bounce around and we just go back down, that's not a really good trade. So of course we want to see us break above 105 here. That's key level for tomorrow. We want to see it retest that 105 because we don't want to just see it go like that. We'll miss it, right? So we want to see it break and come back and retest and stabilize. And we're already looking at it since we had the alert. We already know this is going on. So what I do is I'll have my order right above that pullback point, wherever that may be. It might come up here and pull back, but we'll just use this as an example. And what I do is I have my order ready, my buy order right here. When we do pass that point, I ride that momentum up to this next resistance, which would be up here at 115, and sell 3/4 my position and then wait to see what happens from there. So that's what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. I want to see us break back above 105. That's the key level. And then I want to see us pull back, stabilize, give us some bullish confirmation, bullish reversal candles. Then I want to see big momentum kick in just like here, just like right here. Just like how we broke above, retest, stabilized, and then absolutely exploded. That's what I'll be looking for tomorrow. Now, if you're holding stock or you're looking to short, whatever the case may be, you definitely want to watch out for us to come back down and retest this 91 cents. What you're going to want to watch for is the break below 91 cents. So this is another key level, 91 cents. If we break below that level, that would be a bearish indication. And just like up here, what we want to see is it pull back, retest off this zone. And after we get that retest, we want to see that momentum return. Of course, you don't want to see this if you're holding stock, but you want to watch out for this if you're holding stock. Now, if you're looking to short, what I would do, or what I will be doing, is I'll have an alert here at 91 cents, so I know when it breaks below here, will also be below the VWAP and moving average at that point. I want to see us come back up and retest off that 91 zone and that VWAP, so I know that we're not going back like this, right? We're not recovering. Because if I'm shorting, I want to see weakness, not strength. Now, once we get rejected off that 91 cents, I'll watch for that bearish momentum return, look for bearish reversal candles, and then once we see that, we get that momentum push, I'll be riding that down to this next support down here at 81 cents. Sell 3/4 of my position and then watch to see what happens from here. So that's what I'll be doing tomorrow. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit that like and subscribe for more videos. Please be sure to share this with your friends. Don't forget, at Penny Stock Warriors, we are offering a trading course, and we do offer penny stock signals, which are some of the best in the industry. You can expect some big profits. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. This is Tyler. Have a wonderful day.